This is a 1971 Chevy Truck we're doing. It is a vintage old truck that's been restored, and what we're doing in this guy is we're putting a pair of kick panel speakers in. You can see right over there, not cutting anything factory. Got one on each side. We're gonna put one right here. He's gonna have to relocate the bright button, and then we also put a radio called a retro sound radio in here, which is a vintage old radio that has Bluetooth preamp outs. It sounds like a new radio, a current radio, but it looks like the old style radio. And then we're putting an Alpine amp underneath the seat amp and a woofer. So this will all be back, the seats will go back in and everything will look pretty much original, no cutting done. We also put a center channel speaker up there, and the car sounds really good. We're just putting it back together, finishing the kick panels, and the car will look original and sound like a 2020 car. This is Dave. It sounds good to me.